Players have reported that the game does not display a full list of available servers, especially on Steam discussions. But don't worry, we've got a step-by-step guide to help you fix these server issues and get back into the game. First, try force closing and relaunching the game. If that doesn't work, restart your PC. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix temporary system glitches. Running once human as an administrator can also help. This ensures the game has all the necessary permissions to run smoothly. Always check the server status. Sometimes the developers may be performing maintenance, which can affect server availability. Verifying and repairing game files can fix any corrupted or missing files that might be causing server issues. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. An outdated game can cause numerous issues, including server problems. Disabling Windows Firewall temporarily can also help. Sometimes security settings can interfere with game servers. Check your Steam server settings. Setting the server browser ping minute to a minimum of 5000 can make servers more reachable. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the game. This can resolve any installation-related issues that might be affecting server access.